My name is Mark Kroll. I'm the product manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to talk about the new Montana High Country 321 MK mid-kitchen. The best thing about the 321 MK is it's got a lot of features, it's got a lot of storage and a lot of space, and a very manageable size and weight. This floor plan is only 36 feet, 1 inch long exterior length. It weighs 11,085 pounds on average and offers more than 3,000 pounds of cargo carrying capacity with 6,000 pound axles on this smaller fifth wheel. So plenty of room and a shorter length with lots of storage options. We put our largest kitchen island in this floor plan. So abundant countertop space over here with storage down below. Of course, we've got a pantry right here in the kitchen slide out between the entertainment center and the main cooking area. We've got great storage above and below the kitchen countertop with more countertop space here. Moving back here, we've got the 18 cubic foot French door residential refrigerator. One of the things we do at Keystone RV is we offer the residential refrigerator or the gas electric RV refrigerator. The 321 MK comes with the residential refrigerator, electric only with a 1,000-watt inverter. The 320 MK is the exact same floor plan with a gas electric RV refrigerator, 12 cubic feet, 4-door refrigerator. Moving over here, want to point out one of the central features of this floor plan is the desk workspace at the back of the coach here. You've got a great seamless solid surface countertop to use as your desktop, storage below, extra desk chair, outlet to plug in our computer or any other devices we're using, and then of course great storage above it all to store more items we may need for working. We do offer a booth dinette or the optional freestanding dinette with 4 chairs, so if you need extra sleeping space and storage, the booth dinette's a good option. If you prefer 4 chairs with storage in the seats and a leaf extension, the freestanding dinette's the way to go. Great windows all the way around the slide out. Of course, we've got the theater seat and the trifold hide-a-bed with optimal viewing angles toward the entertainment center. So we can sit in here with 4 adults and everybody have a nice view at the TV and entertainment center. And then on top of all that, we've got great storage above the sofa, more places to store our cargo as we're traveling in this RV. Let's head upstairs and take a quick look at the bathroom and bedroom, show you some more great reasons why this floor plan is such a popular choice. We move up to the bathroom. Of course, it's got the pivot hinge. And again, for 36 feet 1, this has a gigantic bathroom in it with a double vanity sink. And then we move into the bedroom. One of the cool features here is, of course, we've got a magnetic bedroom door holder. And this floor plan is equipped with the king bed slide out. Moving up to the front closet here, we have our closet with great hanging storage in here. Motion sensor light inside the closet so that when we open the door that automatically kicks on. We've got a great full-size closet up here. You'll notice all the headroom. We've got 6'4" headroom all the way at the front. This closet right here can be used for storage, or we could take those shelves out and put a washer dryer in here. And of course, as you notice, it's got a motion sensor light in here as well. So when we open it up, the light kicks on. And then of course a fantastic dresser right here at the foot of the bed, 2 giant drawers, and then of course 2 smaller drawers up top. For more information on Montana High Country Fifth Wheels, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.